How to buy clothes in Pinterest. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy clothes in Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step, let's open up our Pinterest. After opening up our Pinterest, head over to the search bar to search for what you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy a suit, so I search for suits. So right here you will see different options. Now let me head over to a direct merchant. So as you can see, there are different merchants here. So right here you will see different suits available, different clothes available. You can search for any clothes that you want. Now let's say I like this one. So what I do is I tap on visit site, which will take me directly to this website where I can buy that very cloth. And that's how you buy clothes in Pinterest. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.